In this video, I'll show you how to create a new blog post in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and under website, what you want to do is simply click on pages. Once you are on the pages section, what you want to do is simply either on your main navigation or your not linked pages is look for blog. Now, once you have found blog, what you want to do is just simply click on it, and that will take you to your blog page in which you can start customizing it. In order for you to add a new blog, what you want to do is simply head over to blog content, and on the right hand side, simply click on the plus sign. Now, once you click on the plus sign to add your blog content, it will automatically take you to the edit page wherein you can start adding the details of your blog. In here, you can enter a post title as well as a post description. What you could also do is add a few elements within this section, and to do that, what you want to do is hover your mouse on the post description, and either at the top or the bottom, simply click on the plus sign. Now on the right hand side, it will show you all of the elements in which you can add. You can even add an image, and to do that, simply hold the image and drag it within the section. Now that will show you a huge image box in which you can start adding your image. And once you're done, simply head over to the top and left hand side and click on save. Once you click on save, it will automatically exit you out of edit mode. Now on the left hand side, if we hover onto our blog overview, you will see that on this exact day and time, we have created a new draft. On the right hand side, if you click on the three dots for more actions, you can do a lot of things as well as go to the settings page. Now on the settings page, you can add a featured image if that is something that you want to do, and at the bottom, you can even add an excerpt for the featured image. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.